My name is Mike Tui. I'm the Business Development Manager for SeQent. SeQent is a technology partner of Rockwell. We're a bronze technology partner, and we provide a real-time bridge between alarms and events that occur in plant floor equipment and applications. And we send audio and text message to smartphones, PA systems, two-way radios, both digital and analog, as well as tablets, LED and LCD displays. So we're primarily discrete, moving in the process. So automotive transportation is a big one for us. CPG, consumer packaged goods, food and beverage, chemical, metals, pharmaceutical, water, wastewater, wood, pulp, and paper. I mean, those are predominantly where most of our customer base falls within one of those buckets. We've got a wireless alarm and event notification solution. We've got an andon visual display management / mobile andon solution, as well as an industrial Wi-Fi SMS solution. Our overall partner strategy, it's all about inputs and outputs. So we've got input partners and output partners. An input partner for us is Rockwell Automation. An output partner for us is someone like Motorola Solutions. So that there is no other alarm notification solution in the world that can natively build a bridge from Rockwell Automation to Motorola Solutions. So that's a pretty profound statement. And how that happens is we've got obviously the partnership with Rockwell, where we have access to their APIs and their toolkits. And we also have the partnership with Motorola, where we have access to their communications protocol. And that ability to build that bridge is a very big differentiator for SeQent.